Today, I'm installing the WELOCK U71 smart door lock. This is a European profile electronic cylinder lock that replaces a standard door cylinder and gives you several different ways to unlock your door. You can use your fingerprint, a PIN code, an RFID card, or the WELOCK app on your smartphone. At the same time, WELOCK has kept a traditional mechanical key as well. So even if there is ever an issue with the electronics, you still have the familiar mechanical way to unlock the door. What I particularly like about this design is that the electronic system doesn't require any major modification to the door or the installation of a complicated additional mechanism. Essentially, the entire system is built directly into the cylinder and the outside handle. Besides the lock itself, the package includes mechanical keys, RFID cards, the tools needed for installation and adjustment, and a detailed user manual. The lock is also designed to support quite a large number of users. It can store up to 100 fingerprints, as well as PIN codes and RFID cards. So this isn't only a solution for a house or apartment, it can also be useful in a small office, workshop, or any other place where several people need access. And instead of handing out physical keys to everyone, access can simply be managed electronically. The package also includes a detailed, multilingual user manual. It covers installation, initial setup, and the main functions of the lock, so you can set everything up directly by following the instructions. Before the initial setup, we first need to install the batteries. The lock is powered by 3 standard AAA batteries. The battery compartment is located inside the outside electronic handle. Open the cover, install all 3 batteries with the correct polarity, and the electronic part of the lock is ready for setup and operation. Before installing the lock, the position of the handles needs to be adjusted according to the thickness of your particular door. And there's one small practical detail worth mentioning here. To remove the outside electronic handle, you need to press the internal retaining mechanism through the opening in the cylinder. The manual shows using the included Allen key for this. It does work, but I found it a little too short, so using the included screwdriver is much easier. Just insert the screwdriver into the opening and press the internal release. The outside electronic handle can then be removed easily. Now you can adjust the required distance between the handles to match the thickness of your door, and the lock is ready for installation. The lock's basic functions can be configured directly on the lock itself, using its buttons and the instructions in the manual. It works, but once you start using all the features of the U71, managing everything through the WELOCK app is much more convenient. Here you can organize your users and assign different methods of access to them. You can register fingerprints. The lock supports up to 100 fingerprints. You can also add RFID cards, create PIN codes, and provide temporary access. Temporary access can be particularly useful for an office, workshop, rental property, or simply whenever somebody needs access for only a certain period of time. Through the app, you can change the lock settings in language, add or remove users, manage access, and, if necessary, reset the lock back to its factory settings. Another very useful feature is the event log. You can check the access history and see when the lock was opened, as well as which user or access method was used. Unsuccessful access attempts are recorded as well. So instead of simply replacing a traditional key, the U71 gives you a complete access management system. And managing all these functions through the app is considerably easier than programming everything directly with the buttons on the lock. The U71 itself communicates with your smartphone over Bluetooth. But WELOCK also offers an optional Wi-Fi Box 3 that can be purchased together with the lock. The Wi-Fi Box 3 connects the lock to the internet, allowing you to manage it remotely even when you're away from home. It also provides smart home integration, including support for Amazon Alexa. I don't have the Wi-Fi Box 3 with my lock because I'm not currently using a smart home system. The actual installation is extremely simple. Remove the old cylinder and insert the WELOCK U71 in its place. Just like a conventional lock cylinder, it's secured from the edge of the door with a single screw. Next, install the outside electronic handle. Again, use the screwdriver to press the internal release through the opening in the cylinder. Slide the handle into place and adjust it to the correct distance from the door. Remove the screwdriver, and the retaining mechanism locks the handle into the selected position. On the inside, all that's left is to install the second handle and tighten its set screw. And that's it. There's no need to modify the door, run any wires, or deal with complicated installation. I really like this lock. The design is simple, it has an excellent set of features, and in everyday use, it's much more convenient than a conventional mechanical lock. I'll leave a link to the WELOCK U71 in the description below the video.